Good morning, Wildcats. Today is Wednesday, November 30th, and you're watching Keeping Up with the Cats.
And it's Alex. And we're running for homecoming under the baseball team.
No, we gotta.
So make sure to vote for us.
Arroyo for king and king for queen. We can't use that one. What's up, Wildcats? I'm Hayden.
I'm Billy.
And we're running for homecoming 2022. You know the drill.
Vote Hayden and Bill.
Hi, I'm Maya.
And I'm Johnny.
And we're running for homecoming representing wrestling.
Make sure you guys vote for us for homecoming king queen.
I'm Liv.
And I'm Lonnie. And we are 2022 homecoming candidates. And we're looking to take the win. Hey, we sleep on the rest, and Liv and Lonnie are the best.
Hey Wildcats, I'm Megan. I'm running for homecoming 22 representing basketball. Don't make me beg, vote for Meg.
Hi, I'm Natalia. I'm running for homecoming queen for drama. Vote for me.
Hi, I'm Kaylin.
And I'm Ryan.
And we're running for homecoming representing the Dazzlers.
Have a good day.
And don't forget to vote for Ryan and Kay.
Hi, I'm Paige.
I'm Sebi.
And we are running for homecoming king and queen for the McKeel Swim and Dive team.
And we're soaked but stoked for your vote.
Howdy y'all. I'm Austin.
And I'm Ava.
Don't be a slacker. Vote Bowling Hacker.
Hey Wildcats, I'm Maddie.
I'm Heath.
And we're running for McKeel Girls Soccer.
On Friday morning, we're going to have Chick-fil-A in the high school pavilion. So if you want some Chick-fil-A, come see us.
I'm looking forward to White Lie Day.
I'm looking forward to Spirit Day.
I'm looking forward to Generation Day.
My favorite day is Animal Day.
I'm looking forward to Generation Day on Thursday.
I'm looking forward to Generation Day on Thursday.
The day we're looking forward most to is
Salad Dressing Day.
Go Ranch!
This Friday is the Homecoming Pep Rally. Make sure to come out to have fun games, performances, and more. See you there.
Today's word of the day is predicament. The definition of predicament is an uncomfortable situation. Predicament in a sentence is, Delani is in a predicament because he doesn't have a date to homecoming.
So what's up? I need me a date, man.
Get at him.
Wildcats, I'm here with Reagan Lovelace. She's an Interact member. Reagan, what do you guys do in Interact Club?
We do a lot of community service projects and we kind of help out MHS as well.
And what's your favorite community service project that you've completed with Interact Club?
Trunk or Treat, it was really fun.
And what made you want to join Interact Club?
I really love Miss Boyd and she was my favorite teacher last year and I heard that she was running it so I really wanted to join.
Thank you. See you next week, Wildcats. Bye. Before the break, the boys soccer team beat Auburndale 3-1 and tied 0-0 against Ridge. The girls soccer team took a tough loss to LCS 2-0, but beat Harmony 4-0 at their first home game here at McKeel. The boys basketball team has a game tomorrow night and their homecoming game on Friday against Frostproof at 7:30. The girls basketball team has a game tomorrow against Victory. They also have their homecoming game against Discovery at 6.
That's all for today, Wildcats. Have a great rest of your week.